The name of this project is the Ratug, which is an acoustic triangular shaped stringed instrument with 3 strings, having 2 guitar strings and a bass string.
So, the primary inspiration for our Ratug was our group's interest in playing musical instruments. All of us play at least one, and we wanted to, inexpensively, make something different enough that it would be set apart from other musical instruments, but at the same time that each of us as musicians would still enjoy playing. This became the underlying idea behind the Ratug, an instrument that would be unique yet usable and also inexpensive.
Alright, so when we were making this guitar, we wanted to get the mathematics down to a point, because we know that when making any type of instrument, it's all about math. You need to make it the proper shape so you can get the proper sound. And we all decided to give it a triangular bass. Not only would it give it a unique look, but the direction in which the sound waves would be traveling inside of the guitar would give it a really more of a unique sound. When making this guitar, this wasn't something that you can make with everyday average tools like regular old saws. We needed to use power tools. The difficulty was making the triangular bass, because in any type of saw, you're usually cutting square or rectangular shapes, and making this triangle, it was required that we needed to have some freehanding skill. We needed to measure the angles correctly. We ended up using 3/4 inch plywood for the neck of the guitar, and for the bass we used OSB board. So one of the other things we had to do to get the tuning pegs in were we had to cut various parts of the neck into different lengths, widths, depth. We had to cut in different notches so we can get it in, because we needed to have these strings at the right places. The major problem was we're not able to work in school because of the simple fact that we could not bring the proper tools we need into school. But with the time we did take to make it, it did turn out well.
So the tuning is in E, C sharp, and E. Alright, so we made this guitar fretless because we were going for something cheap that can still make noise. So, yeah.